Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button.
Assalamu alaikum everybody, my name is Irfan Ahson and I'm a wedding and fashion photographer and I'm also the Canon brand ambassador. Today I'll be talking about my favorite tool in the camera bag, and it is my trustworthy partner Canon R6. It's a full frame CMOS sensor mirrorless camera and it has state-of-the-art technology built inside in it that makes my job so much easier. So today I'll be discussing different features that have made it my favorite camera. It is a very easy to hold and operate camera. It feels like an extension of my hand. Anytime I'm out there, I'm very comfortable knowing exactly what each button is going to do. The buttons are customizable. It's a very customizable piece of machinery. There are different functions inside that you can assign to different buttons, and they really bring you don't have to deal with an in-depth menu system anymore. You can assign ISO, white balance, eye autofocus and different features to different buttons, and just by just a slight movement of your finger you can change the settings and make it a very customizable camera. The ergonomics are brilliant. It feels wonderful in your hand. You don't really worry about dropping it. It just fits like a glove.
One of the key features that I really look for when buying a camera body is its autofocus performance, because if the picture is not sharp, no matter how good the composition, the lighting, etc., it's useless. And Canon R6 is, I would say, one of the class-leading camera bodies out there, which really make it state-of-the-art camera. Even when in dim light, you cannot make out the subject clearly. The camera just finds the eyes and latches onto the eyes, and it is breathtaking. You don't really have to worry about the focus or the sharpness of the image. You just compose and click, and you feel comfortable with the fact that the pictures will come out sharp and beautiful. R6 boasts a very advanced autofocus system, and it has lots of autofocus points which are customizable. You have different options for choosing wide focus points. It even detects faces of animals and humans. So you really don't have to worry about focus anymore. You just focus on the moment and the composition and lighting, and you just click away and the pictures look amazingly sharp and beautiful. It comes with a swivel screen, so you can swivel it up and down, and it's really helpful when you're making videos. I really switch from photography to filmmaking at the events depending upon the situation, and I always find the camera very responsive, very ready every time. Another feature that I really find useful is the 5-axis image stabilization. So even in dim light, low light, I can feel assured of the fact that the pictures will not come out blurry. The lens itself has image stabilization, and the camera body also itself has 5-axis image stabilization.
To sum up, all these features make R6 a market leader in mirrorless camera technologies. The ergonomically laid out design, highly customizable button options, great low ISO performance even at ISO 25600, 5-axis image stabilization, brilliant autofocus that latches onto the subject like anything. So all these features, they really make it my go-to camera. When you're in the wedding industry, you don't have much time to compose your images. You just have to run and gun, and when you're comfortable with the fact, so when you know that you really have a great performing body, highly responsive camera body technology in your hand, you can focus on the art side of the photography instead of worrying about the science and the nitty-gritty of the camera controls. So I really wholeheartedly recommend it to everybody. There are different Canon models out there, but this is my favorite because of the price point. The price point and the performance, no other camera body matches this. Yes, there are different tools for doing high speed, high action photography, but for wedding industry, I would say this is the go-to camera. The brilliantly superb autofocus, ISO performance, ergonomics, they make R6 my favorite camera body.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button.